Hey there, welcome back Shopify SEO full course with practical workthrough. So we have already completed our full store redesign, and as you already completed the all previous class and you know what we have done in all the previous class. And today we are going to start the next step of our project. So we have completed the redesign, and this is the final look of our store, and it looks more professional, user friendly and SEO friendly. Okay, so today we start work with internal issue, then we start working on the on page SEO. So what is the internal issue? Why we have to discuss about internal issue? Because this is already a live website. It's doing business on online many years for a long time, and we are not started SEO from scratch from the beginning of this business. That's why we have to find out, is there any internal issue of this website. Okay, how we can find out? To find it, we have to go to Google Search Console account. So I'm going to Google Search Console account. Here is the Google Search Console account. So then I'm going to click on the pages, and you can see that there is a 7 reason 501 page not indexed. So going to scroll down, why pages are not indexed. Here is the details about all the reason, and you can see that alternative page with proper canonical tag, not found, page with redirect, soft 404, exclude by no index tag. This is the all are the main reason. And blog by robot.txt already started validating or fixing, and Cloural currently not indexed already started fixing. So we have to fix this issue, then we should start working on the on page SEO. Okay, so step 1, we are going to start fixing this one, exclude by no index tag. We must have to check our website in Google Search Console if we start working SEO on any existing or any running e-commerce website, especially any Shopify website. That's why we are going to talk about internal issue, and we are going to fix the issue to rank our website organically in a within first time. Okay, so how we can fix it? First of all, I am going to click on it, exclude by no index tag, and there are 3 affected pages, and looks here. Page number 1, http .fe preview. So going to open this link. First of all, copy this one and open this one. This is actually a dummy page or a blank page, and we no need to rank it on the search engine, and we should not display this page at our audience. So what we have to do? We have to mark it as no index by robot.txt file, so that Google cannot index this one and does not count this page or does not show this page in the search result. So go back Shopify admin panel. Okay, here is the Shopify admin panel. So how we can do this? So go back Search Console. Okay, and here another page, it's login with shop. It's also a login page. We don't have to count it in search result. Also service.login.shop, service/login underscore with underscore shop. Going to copy this URL. Okay, you see this is also a blank page. So very commonly we don't have to index this page or such page. So go back Search Console page, and this also same issue. This is blank page. So we have to mark these 3 pages as no index. To do this, no index with robot.txt file. Okay, to do this we have to go to our Shopify admin panel. So we are going to Shopify admin panel. Here is the Shopify admin panel. Then click on this three dot icon, edit code, and search roboto.txt. If you don't found any file with the same name roboto.txt, then you have to create a new file. So how you can create? Here is the full guideline, roboto.txt.liquid file. Copy this URL, copy this name. Okay, then here is the full details. You have to add a new template. Okay, so going to Shopify admin panel. Here is the template folder. Create new template. Select roboto.txt. Click on the done. Okay, you can see roboto.txt file, you see. Okay, and now we have to add no index in here and add this 3 pages link. Okay, so I'm going to Google again and search roboto generator online, roboto txt generator online, free roboto txt generator. Click on this. Okay, then add restricted directory. In the restricted directory, I'm going to add this one, copy this one, then copy this URL, this one, then copy this URL, this one. Okay, now click on the create roboto and look here, this allow, copy, and go back Shopify admin panel. Okay, then click on the save. Okay, and now go back Google Search Console account and click on the validate fix. Validation started. Reload. And go back pages. Looks here. Exclude by no index tag. Validate started. So we have to wait to get the update from Google Search Console, and we have done the process to fix this issue. In the same way, we are going to fix others issue in the next tutorial. So I hope you understand how we have do it in the to fix the internal issue. So as we have others internal issue, we have to fix this issue also or work for this issue. So in the next tutorials, we will work to fix others internal issue. So see you there. Have a nice day. So thank you for your time to continue this class and your interest to keep continue learning in this course. And thank you so much. See you in the next class. Have a nice day. Bye bye. So thank you for your time to join this class and complete this class and continue